What's up guys, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this video, we'll be looking at how to do the size hack in Scratch. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So the size hack is really easy to do. Let's say you have a costume and you want it to be very big. So I'm going to simply make or draw a big giant square or rectangle. And let's say I want it to be the size 500. You can see that it is very big, but the size over here it says 210 because Scratch doesn't let you have 500 as a size because the costume already is too big. So sometimes we don't want that to happen. So here's a simple hack to fix it. So we're going to make a new costume, and what we're going to do is we want to make this costume very small, like this. As you can see, this is very small. It's just a little dot. And if we turn this to 500, as you can see, Scratch lets us make it 500 because the costume is very small. So if we go into the code, we can drag a green flag. So we can first switch the costume to our small costume, which is costume 1. And then we can set the size to 500. And when we run this, as you can see, it's just a big giant circle. And then if we switch it back to costume 3, as you can see, it is 500. So that's the simple hack you can use to turn a big giant costume into a even bigger giant costume. So yeah, you can put this in your backpack by saving the code, or you can do something else with it. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Only a small percent of viewers who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you enjoy the content, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you always can change your mind later. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace out.